Good morning, everyone. A sincere request, please keep your work aside for a few minutes. Just please listen to my class. Give me your genuine feedback to me, so I can enhance my skills in my teaching skills. So please just stop your work for 2 minutes and listen to my class. Yes. How are you all?
Good.
Good. Had your breakfast, everyone?
Yes.
So there's a charm in your faces today. So in the morning class. Yes? Okay. Today, I want to tell, yes, the shapes are everywhere, right children? Yes? Do you observe everywhere shapes? Am I right? Yes? Yes. The shapes are everywhere. See this duster has a shape, this book has a shape, this room has a shape. So these shapes are known as 2D shapes and 3D shapes, right? So what is 2D and 3D here? So 2D is a flat shape and 3D is a solid shape. So 2D shapes can be a rectangle and square, and 3D shapes are cuboid and cube. So we are in depth are going to discuss about the 3D shapes. Now let us discuss what is 2D shape first of all. So 2D shape can be a rectangle, it can be a square. So these 2D shapes have only two dimensions. Let me tell you that dimension is used to measure any object. Okay, we have only two dimensions here. What is that? Length and breadth. Come on, what is this?
Length and
Length
breadth.
and breadth. So, but in three dimensions we will have length, breadth, and height. Okay? Clear, everybody?
Yes.
I couldn't hear any noise from you.
Yes.
A big yes? Yes. Now, so today our topic is surface area and volume of cuboid. Yes, students, repeat this. What is the heading? Yes. So what is the concept today? Surface area and volume of cuboid. Yes. Now let me tell you, surface area has two types: the total surface area and lateral surface area. First, we will discuss about the total surface area. So what is this total surface area? Total surface area is a term which is used to take the size of the whole shape. Suppose you have taken this object, so we will take the area of all these faces. So I am taking an example of this box. I am using this as an example to show you in depth about this total surface area. So today we have this object. This is known as cuboid. So how this cuboid is formed, I will show you. So this is just small paper we use. So this shows a rectangle here. Yes, can you tell this is a rectangle?
Yes.
Just only having two length and breadth. So but when you take this book, yes, when you take this book, we having length, breadth and something volume you can find here. So what is this defined as? Can anybody tell me?
Height.
Yes, very good answer. Give a round of applause to her. Yes. So it is height. So we are giving three terms: length, breadth and height. Yes? Are you clear, everybody?
Yes.
Yes. Now, so this cuboid, so we'll go to the definition of the cuboid now. So what we are going to learn? What is it? Yes? We are going to learn about the definition of this cuboid. So coming to the definition of cuboid, so it is a three-dimensional figure. What it is? A three-dimensional figure having faces, vertices and edges. What are those? Faces. Repeat with me. Faces, vertices and edges. Okay. Now, what is this face? Why ma'am is telling about the face? Yes, you might have the question right now in your brains. So let me tell you, this face is the rectangle. Just we'll take one suppose this side. Yes, this side is called a face. So we have 6 faces here. Let me count with me. 1, 2,
3,
3, 4, 5 and 6. How many in total?
6.
Can we say there are 6 faces now?
Yes.
Yes. How many faces?
6 faces.
Yes. Now I have told you already vertices are there in this cube. So let me tell you what is vertices here. First we'll learn about edges, then we'll go to vertices. So we have some edges here. There are 12 edges here. So how ma'am is telling 12 edges? You might having this question in your brain.
Yes.
Are you understanding me?
Yes.
Yes. So here we are separating with a brown line. This is called as vertices. What it is called as?
Vertices.
Yes. So we have 12 vertices here. If you want, we can count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many total? How many? 12 vertices. Okay. Now let's learn what is edges here. So edges is the two faces are meeting at one point. Am I right? Could you see it?
Yes.
Yes. So these are meeting at one point. So we have 8 vertices over here. So these corner points are called as vertices. Yes. So sorry, this is edges and this is vertices. Sorry. Okay. Now you know how the cuboid is formed. Yes, children.
Yes.
Now we will find this total surface area. So just randomly ma'am picked something and she's telling to find the area. Why we should find this area? Total surface area. Is it necessary for us? Why? I'll tell you why we have to find this total surface area. So now, you take the example of this room. If you want to paint a certain part of it, you have to know the total surface area of this room. Suppose if you want to build something around your buildings, and you should know the length, breadth and height in order to separately construct something near your building. And you want to fill a swimming pool. You should know the volume, how much the water you need to fill into the swimming pool. So we need to know that volume for it. So now we'll derive the total surface area of this cuboid. Okay? Total surface area of this cuboid. So let us take the first rectangular face. Do you agree this is a rectangular face?
Yes.
So rectangular face have only 2 dimensions. Am I right?
Yes.
So what are they?
Length
Yes,
and breadth.
length and breadth. First phase length and breadth. Then the second phase we have breadth and height. Okay. So this goes on till 6 phases. So finally we get to know that there are 2 times length into breadth, 2 times breadth into height, and 2 times height into length. So finally we derive a formula. So these two are multiplied. The first phase is multiplied length into breadth. So we get 2 times length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. So finally we derive a formula length into breadth into height and height into length. So now we'll just see a small formula about it. So I want to find length having 4 centimeters, breadth 3 centimeters, height 2 centimeters. Yes. So we use a formula here, 2 into length breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. So can we use this formula over here? Yes. How can you tell me, everyone? Anyone? How do we use this formula here? What do I have to in 1 minute? Then what we have?
4 centimeters.
Yes. So what we have to do here?
Multiplication.
Yes, very good. Give a round of applause to her. What we have to do here? We have to multiply here. So then which value we have to take here?
Breadth.
Very good. So we have to take a breadth. Then as same as this, you have to take all the values of it. Breadth 3 into 2, then plus height 2 into breadth 4. Then we'll solve this problem now. 4 into 3, how much children?
12.
12, very good. 3 into 2?
6.
2 into 4?
8.
So what would be the answer? 12 plus 6 plus 8, what is the answer? Can anybody tell me?
26.
Very good. Then 26 into 2, how much?
52.
So there comes the answer. We found out the total surface area of the cuboid. Yes? So simple, right?
Yes.
So now let us see the volume of the cuboid. If you want to fill this tank, suppose you think this is a water tank and I want to fill it with water. So we have to know the volume of it. So just simple 3 dimensions we have to take.
Yes.
And we have one more thing, lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. Why we need to find this lateral surface area? Can anybody tell me? No? Suppose I want to paint this room and I will ignore the roof and the ceiling. Okay? So, if you ignore it only, then we can paint the whole room, right? So, there we consider the lateral surface area here. So, the lateral surface area we derive from the 2 into LH plus P. Right? So, here by using this formula, we will get the lateral surface area of this room. Okay? Now, tell me an example of a cuboidal object. Anyone? Any cuboidal object near your surroundings? Very good. Can you tell me, anyone, how many faces do we have in cuboid?
12. 6.
Faces?
6
Very good.
faces.
How many vertices do we have?
8.
It is there on the board, right? Yes. How many?
8.
How many edges do we have?
12.
Yes. Is this important in your daily life? Yes, we should know it. Yes, we should know the total surface area of the cuboid objects. Cuboid. Okay. Okay. This ends the session. If anybody have any doubts, please let me know. I'll clear it. Yes.
No.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for the class.